So today I just want to talk about my hair, of course. So tomorrow I'm going to get my hair braided, and they asked for me to blow dry my hair and to make it as straight as possible without flat ironing it, at least to my knowledge, because I'm not flat ironing my hair. And I began blow drying my hair, started from the back, and it touched my collars. Now, I told you guys I've been natural for 3 years, but over the duration of time, I had setbacks. So I wasn't able to see the growth in my hair. But now, I want to say within the last year, I've seen drastic change with my hair. The 2-strand twists are getting longer, my hair is more moisturized, it's retaining everything, and I'm loving it. And so today I just blow dry my hair and I trim my ends, and I'll show you guys a picture of how much I've cut off. Not much to make a drastic change in my hair, but compared to my hair when it's curly versus to where it is now, you would not even see or know how long it would be, and it's like shocked me. Like, just look at it. It's healthy, it's not matted. I'm able to even run my fingers through my hair without even it getting tangled. It's just, I'm just mind blown, and I'm just excited to now know that, okay, this is where my hair is now, blow dried, and I can wait another year to blow dry my hair again and see where it is then. So as long as you guys stay with me throughout this journey, you'll see how long it'll get, which I'm totally excited about. So stay tuned and just continue to follow my journey, and just knowing that, I mean, I'm not a professional, but this is my hair, so what's working for me could possibly work for you. And, you know, just questions, comments, and suggestions always help, as well as me giving them to you that can help you achieve longer hair as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Please click on the subscription button below, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you can be notified of my next video when I'm all up on your screen.